tool that we use to copy and paste the profits. It literally sends us like a text message to our phone, or similar to a text message. Is basically an alert, and it shows us when it's going to be a buy opportunity or a sell opportunity. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet and get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down to see if I got any. Okay, so you see right here where it says harmonic signal, new signal USD JPY. It's basically giving us the alert. This is what I get on the phone, like, hey, this is an alert. Like, check out the harmonic scanner. It's an alert. Something's happening in the market. So I go to my harmonic scanner and I open it up. And this is like a little ad thingy. Let me hurry up and get rid of this so you guys can see what matters. So this is what we get. So we open this up and it shows us the open, like where it got the signal at, directly to the right. TP stands for take profit. Once again, TP stands for take profit. It's showing us where to take our profit at. We literally copy and paste that into the MetaTrader 4 app to take our profit at that area. And not only do we have one take profit, if you look to the left, we have a TP2. If you look directly to the right of that, we have a TP3. So it's 3 different places for us to take profits at. So that means usually after it hits take profit 1, it keeps going and we make more profit. So this is exactly how you copy and paste to profits. It's showing us where to take our money at. And the best part about it, if you look to the bottom left where it says stop loss, this is the area that we do a stop loss. So let's say worst case scenario, this is a wrong trade. It just didn't go our way. And we don't want to get put in a position to where we're in the negative or losing too much money. So it's going to tell us where to stop loss at. It's going to tell us where to get out of the trade in case it's not going our way. And this is why we win so frequently, because we put in stop losses. Stop losses minimizes your losses. The trade is not going to always go your way. That's just the reality of it is. But most of the time it will. With proper technical analysis, we're using a scanner and making sure you read the market right. You can actually get a lot of wins. This is 80% accurate, guys. So you guys are paying for a tool that's 80% accurate. And it can actually even have higher accuracy if you utilize this with proper technical analysis and make sure you watch the market properly. So these are different currency pairs. They're all different numbers. So I just want to scroll down and show you guys. I hate these ads, though. That's kind of stupid. But, some are buys, some are sales, And these are all the signals. And with all of these signals, it's money. All this means money. It's literally sending signals all throughout the day, letting us know what is happening in the market and when to buy and when to sell and when to take our profits. And so the computer does its algorithms and it finds patterns in the markets that we may not see. And usually when it makes certain patterns and it says, hey, when the market does this, it usually bounces up. So you see right here where it's bottoming out and it's moving back in the up direction, it's telling us that, hey, get in on the buy and make this money on the way up. And just so you guys know, we make money when the market goes up or down. So that was an example of when the market goes up and we make money. This is an example when the market goes down and we make money. So this is a tool that we use for us to make money, to be able to copy and paste the profits. So a lot of people have been asking, so now you guys have the video. If you guys want to join the team, make sure you DM me, make sure you email me. I'm at Mercer Millions everywhere on every social media platform. My email is my first and last name, jamarromercer@gmail.com. So that's JAMARROMERCER@gmail.com. So if you like this video, if you felt like it gave you some value, make sure you go ahead and drop a comment. I'm giving away cash for comments. I'm still doing that, cash for comments, guys. I'm picking one winner from each video, and you have to drop a comment and drop your cash app. Make sure it's a real comment as well, not just a spammy comment. If you feel like you got some value from this, make sure you drop the comment so I can take care of you in your cash app. And that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how we copy and paste the profits. When you join the team, this is one of the tools, one of the many tools you can pay for to get to the money. So that's it, and everybody have a good night.